Imagine building automations just by copying one prompt and changing a few words. No searching for triggers, no figuring out what apps to connect, no complex setup. You simply describe the automation idea and the AI build workflows for you. And the best part is once you understand the prompt structure, you can create hundreds of automations instantly. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you one powerful prompt template you can reuse, and we'll test it by creating two real workflows. First, a simple two-step automation and then a multi-step social media automation connecting multiple apps. So let's get started. So to do this, you just have to open your dashboard inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of AI automations using the prompt free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard and you have to go to this create workflow and click on this create using AI button. Now first of all, make sure that you start fresh, and as you can see, we have 4 options right over here. So yes, this is the new AI workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect, where you just have to enter the prompt and it is going to create workflows for you. So instead of writing the prompts every time, you can create one reusable prompt format, which I have for you. And here's that prompt, which is create an automation workflow where when trigger event happens in trigger app, the workflow should capture the data and perform the following actions. Action event in action app. Use the data received from trigger to complete the action automatically. So I am just going to attach this prompt in the description box below. You can copy this prompt template from there. You just have to enter the trigger event, the trigger app, action event and the action app, and within seconds the workflow will be created for you. So let's test it. Let's say you run a blog website and every time a new blog is published, you want to automatically post it on Twitter, which is X today. So instead of creating the workflow manually, we can simply type the prompt as this. Create an automation workflow where when a new item appears in an RSS feed, the workflow should automatically create a post on Twitter with the article title and link. And when we're going to send this, instantly it is going to create the workflow for the same. As you can see, it is saying which RSS Pabbly trigger should start this workflow. So it is new item and feed, so we have selected the same. Which X action would you like to create the post with? So it's create tweet, so let's just select the same. So yes, you can see it is saying ready to create this workflow, so let's click on this approve and create, and yes, workflow is created successfully. So I entered the prompt at 12:26 p.m. and at 12:26 p.m. only the workflow was created successfully. Now let's just open this workflow so you can see the workflow is created. You just have to connect your apps over here and then you are good to go. Now you just have to connect your website with this RSS and your Twitter account, and whenever you're going to publish a new blog on your website, instantly a tweet will be posted on your Twitter, which is X today. So you can see this workflow was created successfully. This was a simple two-step automation created using the same prompt, which is attached in the description box below. Now let's just try multi-step social media automation also. So let's go on the dashboard and start fresh over here. So now let's just create something more powerful. Suppose you upload a new video on YouTube and you want to automatically promote it across multiple platforms. For example, post a video on Twitter, share it on Facebook page and send the video link to Discord community. So instead of creating this workflow step by step, step, we'll use the prompt again. It says create an automation workflow where when a new video is uploaded on YouTube, the workflow should create a Twitter post, publish Facebook page post, and send Discord message with the video link. Okay, so now let's just submit this prompt. The AI analyzes it and generates a multi-steps workflow. So it is saying which YouTube trigger should start this workflow. So let's just select the same. Let's just select the triggered event as new video in channel with video URL. We have selected the Twitter event as create tweet. Now it is saying which Facebook page actions would you like to create the post with. So we have selected create page post, and now it is saying which Discord legacy app would you like to use. So let's just select it as send channel message markdown. If you want to send HTML, you can select the same. Now the workflow is created. Okay, so let's just click on this approve and create, and my workflow is created successfully. So once again, I entered the prompt at 12:29 and the workflow is created at 12:29 p.m. only. So let's just open this workflow, and within a minute this multi-step workflow is ready. New video on YouTube, create a tweet, post it on Facebook, and share the video link on Discord. This can help me promote my content across multiple social media platforms. So your content promotions become fully automated. You just have to connect your apps and the workflow is ready to run. So why is this prompt powerful, which I have attached in the description box below? Because you only need to change 3 or 4 things, which is trigger app, trigger event, action app, and action event. By modifying these parts, you can generate different automations instantly. For example, you can automate blogs, social media posts, YouTube community notifications, Instagram and Discord updates, new RSS feeds, Facebook page posts, all using the same prompt structure, which is attached in the description box below. So now if you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Using the same prompt, go and create multiple AI automations, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And further, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. If you want more automation tips and tutorials, do subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.